Hi. So today I'm going to give the demo of our local SEO tool. This is our website, localseotool.in, and you can see here is a login option. If you will click here, it will take you to the URL app.localseotool.in. You need to sign up here because I already have an account. So let me sign in and showcase how the dashboard look. So once you will do the sign up and you will log in, this is how a dashboard look, where in your email account, it will show how many Google businesses your Google My Business have, and out of that, how many accounts you have taken the local SE tool subscription, and for how many accounts you have not taken the subscription. And here, active businesses you will be able to see their ranking, their ratings. Let me take one of the our clients name, client's account, that is Channel Pro. So when we click on that, you will see that the client's name will be mentioned here. After that, what are the categories this business has chosen, it will be mentioned here. And this is the overall score of the profile out of 100. Out of 100, currently the Channel Pro communication is 93% optimized. How it has been optimized, we have given the scorecard here. We have shown how we score the calculation actually. So 26 out of 26 in profile info, profile log 5 out of 5. What is profile log? So for example, you have done all the you have completed your profile, and now you know that there is nothing to change in name, address, or phone number or category. So you do complete all this profile, and after that you mark it as protection on. Now if any unwanted people will try to change the name of the business or phone number, Google, our tool will automatically reject those suggestions. So in this way, chances of the fraud or cyber any cyber complaints, cyber activities, those will be chances of those to be occurred will be very very less. Now you can see that why it's 93 here, because this tool has detected 4 marks in the Google reviews and 3 marks in the services. So total 7, right? Now when we go down, you can see that in reviews it has deducted our marks. The reason is that response rate should be more than 70%. Currently, response rate is only 49%, which is below than 70%. Now it's suggesting you that you simply respond to all the reviews, and you will have 4 marks here. In the same way, if you go on the services tab, you will see that there are total 161 services, out of which 25 are missing with the descriptions. Now we simply put the description, and you will our marks will our overall score will increase here, right? So our tool will give the idea also that where you need to improve. And if there are multiple tabs here also in the, like for example, overview, profile, reviews, photos. Now you go on profile, you will be able to do all the changes from here itself. You don't need to go to the Google map and do the changes. Simply you can edit manually or edit with AI. You can update a website, phone number, address, everything from here itself. In the same way, you can do the changes in reviews. You can see the reviews tab also. You can upload the photos from here. Post, you can do the posting from here, but usually we don't recommend from here. I will show you how we do the posting in automation tab in services. Now let me go to the another tab, review management. It is one of our USP. So and when we go on a review management tab and Google reviews, you can see that all the reviews are responded by AI itself. You can see that AI responded, and the day we got this review, on the day itself, on the very same day itself, Google has responded on that review. And let me tell you, the response is really awesome. This AI will read the review and accordingly it will reply. So that's why we have made sure that AI response. So now, if you go on response setting, we have an option that you do the response manually, AI response or manual response. But because AI is responding really very well, that's why we have kept AI auto response. Now here you can select if business gets a 3 star or above, then only AI responds, and I will manage 1 star and 2 star manually. That's how it will be. So I have selected 4 star and above. You can select anyone, whichever you want. Right now, here is one more option of create post. When I click here, it will take me to a page of testimonial post. Now what we have done, it creates a post automatically. Simply you can do the editing also. You can change the name, you can change the context, you can change. If you don't want to show this avatar, you simply turn it off. You don't want to showcase the rating, you can turn it off and your rating will be gone. I prefer always to showcase these things. You can change the font type also, right? You can change the font size, author size, and text size. You can change the color of this post from here. I didn't like the overall design of this post. No issues, go and change the design, and simply you can post it from here. It get posted automatically. You can download the image also, but yes, it get posted directly on GMB also. So this is another feature which we have developed. This is QR code generator. In this, if you created generated this QR code, if anybody will scan this QR code or copy paste the link, or you can send the WhatsApp and send and he clicks on this, a page will open. It will and it will be like, how was your experience, thumbs up or thumbs down. If anybody will click on thumbs down, it will take you to the pop-up where you that person will go give you 1 star or 2 star. Why? Because he was not happy, right? And name, mobile number, email ID, and the feedback. Now that person will give you the feedback and submit it. This feedback will come in within your portal. It will not go on Google Map. So simply your team can contact that person, give them discount if it was a genuine customer. And the point is that you can make sure that you don't lose the customers. And if it was a great experience, you simply click on this. Now you can see a lot of the reviews are here. Because this is a dummy account, I have chosen burger, pizza, SEO performance. Now if I go on a pizza tab, you will see all the reviews will be related to the pizza only. Their pizzas are totally exceptional, right? In the same way here, all the reviews will be related to the pizza only, and they customer simply has to copy and post it. For example, they went for the burger. Now all the reviews will be related to the burger only. As soon as the customer will copy and post any of the review, it will automatically get deleted from here. And that helps to make sure that the same reviews don't get twice from two different customers, right? For example, you can say that in first review in the burger product is from the moment, right? Second is working with channel pro communication. Now when I click this, it will redirect me directly to the pop-up of Google Map, where I can where customer will simply give the reviews and post it. I've already given the review. That's why it will show like this. So let me delete it. Now this is how it will show. Now customer will simply give the 5 star and paste it. Right? You can see that. And now here simply they post it. Now when we come back, you can see that this review is gone and the second review came up. AI will keep writing the reviews in this way. No, no, never. Your reviews never get your all AI reviews will make sure that the AI keep writing these reviews. And these reviews are SEO optimized actually. So these reviews do help. Now this is an automation tab. In automation tab, you put all your targeted keywords. You select from here that in a day how many posts you want to do in one post a day or two posts per day, and what will the frequency you want to do, daily, alternate day, or like every 2 times a week. You can select from here. You can select the time slots also, and put the content or put your targeted keywords there and generate post. Now this automation tool will keep posting on your GMB automatically by its own for whole 1 year. I mean, now you don't have to write the content and then upload it, to go open the GMB and then paste it. No, everything will be automatic. Let me showcase you. See, these are the posts. This is a 4 minute post when I was showing you demo, right? 6 minute ago because it was scheduled 1 day, 2 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 4 day, 4 day, 5 day. So this is how it will keep posting on a daily basis. Now this website feature is basically for the businesses who don't have a website. They are very small. They don't want to create the website. But as you know, for GMB, for Google Map ranking, website is really important. So simply they fill the details here, all the details, business theme, banner, SEO, reviews, social. And now when they come here in the domain, simply they put their custom domain here, and their custom website will be ready. Otherwise, even if they don't want to spend the money on your Google on domain also, that is also fine, because we give them some link which can work for them as a website. You can see here for this client we have one website, right? Now this citation thing is something manual we are currently doing, and this changes in our tool with the region also. For example, if you will be using local SEO tool.ae, it will not be showing the state India Sulekha, but in India it's showing it. And we usually do the manual thing. So even if you have taken our tool, then you have to do this thing manually, or you need to contact us, and we will do this for you on a subscription, on a service model. This rank tracker is also one of our USP. Now, you select one of the business. For example, I'm going to showcase you the rank tracker for this local SEO tool business. Now, these are the keywords, and you can see that in these keywords, what is my current ranking. You can see that in best local search engine optimization tool, I was last week I was in third rank, but now I'm fourth rank. That's why it's -1, and there is no +1. Let me show you in where there is a very frequent changes in the ranking. See here, this +2. Earlier I was on 17, but now I'm on 15th, 14th, 13th. So that's why it shows +1 for green marks. Whereas if ranks has gone down, it will be in red mark, right? When I will click on any of the keyword, you can add the keyword from here, right? And when I click here, it will show me a grid of 20 kilometer grid or 400 square kilometer, and on every area within your cities how you are ranking. For example, in here, this client is ranking second on search, where in Sanand it's ranking 7, Barejadi it's ranking 15, Adala side it's ranking more than 20 plus. So you don't have to go one on one all these locations to make sure that where you are ranking. Simply use our tool and it will give you idea that how you are ranking across your city. Here you can see your competitors also, how they are ranking. For example, here the competitor clients now is number 1, and this local SEO tool is number 2. This is analytics. You can choose the weekly, monthly, quarterly, and it will tell you that how much interactions are happening within in your in Google Map. You can use the branding tool here to make sure you upload your logo, email ID, and phone number. So whenever you will upload the post, in the post part, you simply upload your image. It will use the logo and email ID and every detail from here itself. This report tab, in this report tab, simply you select the time zone, week, month, 2 months, 3 months, and you can download the report from here itself. And this report will contain each and everything, the graphs, the performance, and even the keywords ranking, how you're ranking here. So this is the overall demo of our tool, that is local SEO tool.in. If you still have any doubt, you can contact us via mail or the contact number mentioned on our email ID. Thank you.